Have you ever wondered what it'd be like to fry an egg with a diesel heater? Me neither. But first, the truck is too tall to go into Wesley's shop since the last time we've been here working on the canopy, because we had the tent off, and I don't feel like taking the tent off. So what we're gonna do is take the 35-inch tires I have on the cruiser now and put Wesley's rollers that are only 29-inch. And that should be enough clearance to get into this shop.
It's the future of mall crawling. You just put a really small tire on one side and you're constantly flexing on nothing. So Colin, what you doing there, bud?
Doing the Carolina squat.
Behold the future of overlanding. It's called squatter landing.
That's a good stance there, eh?
Oh, sick. That's like
Man.
doing wheelies, bro.
City mode activated. Yeah, this is the new way to overland. Small tires. I don't have to jump in my truck anymore. It's so low to the ground.
Just how you not measure things. With ass crack.
83. That's how tall the back is now. And we need to clear this, which is... Do I do it this way or this way?
No, sideways.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. 88. So it's still too tall, so we took the roof racks off, and we have to air it down to 5 PSI. All right, so the canopy's finally off the truck after Wes had to sit on the back of the cruiser to get the thing inside the garage last night. So we're all set to install this diesel heater so we can cook eggs with it. Get the diesel heater on these steps so we can clear the exhaust, bring it up that high. And this exhaust is gonna shoot out from the back like this. That's before. And then we'll be able to hook it up, grab a pan, and probably have to go to the store because I don't think Wesley has any eggs at his house.
Diesel poached eggs.
We need a way to get the heat outside of the canopy through it. So now I have to drill a hole through the canopy so I can hook up this toilet attachment. And that's gonna be my flange where this comes outside and into the tent. So if you're ever doing this, plumbing's your friend. Now that we have our very sharp glory hole, we'll just push that in and now we have a hole in the canopy. Really hope I didn't screw this up. If you haven't noticed yet, it's just a diesel heater install video, but we are gonna fry an egg after it's installed. Make this really sharp glory hole into a nice smooth glory hole. Our glory hole is now nice and smooth to put our toilet gasket in. So that's gonna go there. It's nice and flush now. Take this edge off so this pipe can fit through.
Damn.
And we're almost ready to fry an egg.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, me too.
That's how you do that. You don't need a vice.
Yeah. Safety third.
You got hands. You don't need fingers.
Now that we deburred our toilet flange, this pipe should just go straight through. Put that in, make a gasket, and then glue this piece on the other side. And this is gonna be our weather stop.
Yes.
So no dust and vermin get in.
God dang.
You don't want squirrels getting in there, they'll eat all the bread.
bastards. What you doing there, Colin?
Caulking.
Caulking your toilet flange for your heater?
Yeah, you gotta make sure it's like all caulked properly.
You gotta seal your toilet to the heater
Yeah.
flange. Because that's how you cook eggs.
Lots of cack.
Just the right amount.
Is it? Let's see from the back side. Ooh. Getting all cocky about it.
Always make sure you read the directions on something you've never used before. So it says, do not smoke. Why would it say do not smoke? So make sure to get this on everything, right?
Everywhere.
Everything everywhere in the canopy.
It's okay, it's not mine. You figured.
That's blue.
Dang, it's permanent now.
Yeah, so now we got this end cap, and that's just gonna screw right there.
And you did the thing.
The thing is done.
It has a tail. Hot tail.
Yeah, right into the tent.
Sick. Colin loves putting holes into his canopy.
Don't like it one bit.
He's really good at it though.
Now we're making the hole for the exhaust so I don't smoke out the whole canopy, because you don't want that. So we're just gonna drill a hole here.
Yeah, you did it. Boy,
Ooh.
all the holes. That's how you do that.
Alright, so this is a little muffler that comes with it. Got a little spring in it. And that's just gonna go there.
Yeah.
So I turn the diesel heater on, that gives me an extra 5 horsepower off the rear.
Shooting bud. Sick though.
Sort of. Everything's hooked up now. The diesel heater's pulling almost 9 amps. It's doing its thing. Exhaust is coming out of here. Now all we need to do is fry an egg. Turn this beauty on to fry our egg. There she goes. The thing sounds like a jet engine starting up. Just chooching. And now we're up to temp, so it's time to crack our egg. One hand. That should work. I think it's actually working. Look at it. So that method didn't really work out. We're gonna try something else, and I guarantee we're gonna fry an egg with this diesel heater before the day is over. The new plan is to use the heating hose that came with the diesel heater. I'm not gonna be needing it since it doesn't reach the tent. So I just made a little place for the egg to sit, and that should cook it. One hand. Somewhat success. You can kinda cook an egg with a diesel heater. Well, time to put some Tabasco sauce on it.